Yeah, so Leverage Nation out there, obviously some people are fish and then they catch one. Yeah, look at it. How you doing? I'm vlogging, so
Looks like what was that, Moray Hill or what do they call it? Moray Hill?
Moray Hill?
Something like that, yeah.
Oh.
The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
Leverage. Right now, welcome back to Leverage Boy. You're more Leverage Boy, cut that. Leverage. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, say a boy Eclips, and you don't know, have a boy Clay, and you don't know, say from the last vlog, you know, say you never go as a planet fishing. So today now, we don't know how I can take up in ourselves, but about 50, 50s it there right now, cool. Yeah, New York people, me know, in a cold phone, but yeah, we don't know upper state people, you know, say in a cold, but they don't know how the Florida thing and also we are Jamaican, when I used to cold. So, what we are going to do now?
On the pier.
13
degrees Celsius for Jamaican people, them. See if we can get something like cold with that.
Yeah, so we are trying a lot now, you see? So that's a leverage, man. So, stay tuned and see you up on the journey right now. About for maybe go get some gas, maybe showing the part there. I don't know. So leverage. You don't know anything going on. Leverage Nation. So we'll be back. Yeah, Leverage Nation. So reach at the gas station right now. Or I get some gas, you know. Yeah, man. Just there, the weather feel nice, man. You know, so me is a man where always not like the cold still. I don't like the cold, but you know too bad. But boy, Clay, what's it on me? Yeah, manage. You could chill the weather, man. But see when the chai run from, you know them over there, you know, you see when the chai run from it, it'll feel colder. But the same time, I go some and just there in a regular shirt and just embrace the cold. Yeah. Embrace the cold, it go. I feel chilly, you know, but it's normal out, it's not too bad. Yeah, so I don't know where I get the gas right now. Oi. You know I think go. Right now over there, racetrack gas station, you see it? Where I wait for going forward up. I know when I see me. Yeah. But that way they are gone the money. I don't know if you vlogging about this, you know, we are doing thing, you know. You see it? That's a leverage. That way they have a leverage about it, you know I think go. You know I pray. Yeah. Right, I don't know say. They now watch it pumping, you know, so you have to all watch it gas in the car. Although we have full him up same way, but still, more time with teeth, you know, so you know, and it goes a bombs and run up too much. So, I'm gonna put about 20 something, nothing too crazy, you know, the thing go. Yeah, that we do, man. Put 23 Jordan. That will do. See it, yeah? Yeah, man, so Leverage Nation. Oh, no feeling. Put a leverage in the comment section. Put the leverage there. You see? I like the subscriber them we are forward in and be a part of the journey. You don't know anything going on. I'll be here. Reviews and them things that we are going to do. All type of things. Reviews. Yeah, sit down back in the car right now. The heat right now, the heat up on high. Hold on, turn it up. Yeah man, heat up on high right now, so I just got some bombs and build back a vibes to get back the weather. get back the temperature up on a level, and then I forgot I left the place and not even bring my pullover star. Right now I have me have my airport pullover, you know. You see me, but you know that thing that I like multi-purpose, but me, you see me? Let's see where I'm going. Right now Leverage Nation, see boy are forward.
Good boy, good.
Yo.
It's cool, dog.
Yeah, man. Let's sit down for that here. You say weather feel nice. How you get there? Pringles.
I don't know what to get nice to it. I'm gonna say not of substance, so let's say that.
Right now, you don't know, you know. At the iron, you know.
That's the one that need for you.
Oh, you get me a Pringles, you know, shut up still. But yeah, man, you don't know anything go. So, after the pier, we go show you a journey and thing. We're gonna go to Bams. We're gonna go to Bams, so. And just go and mash up on them things. You don't know the Jamaican way, you know. Jamaican way, you know. You see a thing, flick it off, you see me? That's right, man. I'll show you a journey upon the way. And that. You know your leverage. Yeah, so Leverage Nation right now we just plan to say how we are going on different location. We are going on different location. We are go where they are pumping now. Where they are pumping now, we are go up on the pier to go fishing, you know? So we not take no check. I mean not take no check, so I have the airport thing fit me, so maybe me fling it on. I don't know it, me just carry it to carry. But yeah. Fine, you know? Yeah.
So this whole time I tell myself I feel and they think it's a button.
Yeah, until I say a button, man.
The actual button.
Yeah, we're up on the second floor. Ready? Ready, man. So, Leverage Nation, we are trying to look and see where we are going this time, yeah? Must catch at least one. Don't feel black, don't. That's so determined. Yeah. So that we are the Leverage Nation, I don't know. Day in the life, like what they say, and a daily vlog, day in the life. Basically, how much you have catch?
I I give myself probably half a dozen. Yeah, half a dozen.
Half dozen. Alright. That's it. We're gonna take the stairs. Alright, you don't know, so we have to go in there with a positive med, so yeah man, Leverage Nation, you don't do anything.
Cool still.
Yeah, far down there man.
This me is always, and then like with the dancing and stuff,
Over here.
so unfortunately I always walk a little.
Yeah, so we see where I go on, I walk over there, and we go up on the pier, so you don't know, see a Pampano. You see sign there up there, so. Don't know if you can see it. Pampano Beach. Fisher Family Pier. You know, I never see that sign there. Fisher Family. Yeah. Mad beast over there, so. I know, a clay style, I love car. I'm a carry person. But yeah, man. See it there?
Hey, white people them rate me, you know.
Yeah. So we are going there, so.
Thank you.
Thank you, Gary.
Yeah, so I guess the fishing for one person $6. So see tag there.
Get your tag. And them say if you put it on, but me never get put on them. I always have it in my pocket.
Them set up shop. Beach. Right. Yeah, right now we don't need to pull over, man. Right now the sun all up big. I go think so me should even
wear this.
bring not something about. Hey. I say a bunch of swim around there over here, so.
No, it's a barracuda dog.
Huh?
Fish.
What that then, sir?
It's a barracuda here. So when barracuda are not here, anytime I catch a fish, and the fish can't swim as fast as they normally can because they live on your line, so barracuda just come and bite them off. Along with everything.
Okay, so learn something new. I know that. I don't know nothing about fishing, you know? That's still where I go on. Yeah, so Leverage Nation, see it, yeah? On the water. No diving or you're jumping from pier, $500 fine. Yeah, so right now it's a nice day. Where is it? The sun up out tonight, sun. Gotcha. Oh, watch me, you know? Yeah, man. Alright, so we have to set up shop.
Yeah, look around still, see what's going on.
Yeah, man, a little bit windy out here. A little bit windy out here, so we're going to see where I'm going. We get back to now. We start set up one thing and we're doing for a catch on, you know? That's a leverage. Always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, you see? Yeah.
Live beat is better. Tell the people that. Because there's something no weight whatsoever. I'm going to put on weight on the line.
Oh, right there.
Right, this one.
Oh. So, leverage nation, so we're going to see if we're catching up. Yes, hey. Yeah, man, when I see me swing out one out there, you know? Yeah.
Right now, this raffle.
Yeah, leverage nation, I fling it out, you know, but no wait at the pan now, so I just go to bombs and really, you know? Yeah. What?
Shot fast, bro. I keep on wait one and make it sing. See them there? See them there? The air runner. Yeah, man. Wait, man, I can go with it. Maybe I trouble it, I can go on. When you start rolling with it, you feel it, bro. I ain't going with it, so everybody retreat. You don't want it. You don't want it. I'm saying nasty, you don't want it. We need to wait for the light. Good size them between, you know. Watch out. I feel him bait. I feel him bait.
Michigan. They have a great spot where they are.
You don't want that the fish to run out. You don't want that.
Yeah, Leverage Nation. So we have some live bait, but I don't know from the last time. So we just keep them and put in a freezer. So depending on the way, I don't know if we can see it properly. But yeah, they freeze up and things. So yeah. Into the better feel live bait them, but I don't know bait a bait, so you don't know if you can catch anything. So hopefully we are try we look and see where we are going. You see the Leverage Nation. Yeah man. So clear there, try.
Yo, look, is he? Look, is he?
Yeah, you see that big fish swim around there? Big, hopefully you can get something. Nothing. Much people see me on Sunday, huh? Yeah. On the pier, people them on the pier. So they are going waiting a Leverage Nation, so you don't know, you know.
Can I pull out the show?
And do remember all the links you can subscribe to the channel and the link for the IG page. Then everything I'm talking about, just looking at the description, everything explanatory in the description, so you can go up on that and do it. I'm an artist page, you don't know, so that's Eclips, leverageboss. You see it? And you can check out the music, the YouTube page too. In the description, everything there, so you don't know where your leverage go, just a fish, daily life, daily vlog. Yeah.
See, no. Gillette.
Oh,
Wiki,
God.
Yeah, man, first aggressive bite of the day.
Yeah, so that's a good sign. That's a good sign. So yeah, I get one eye.
What they throw was a shrimp there. Go back on it,
Yeah.
Bend up my hook to dog, look.
Oh, wait, man, look like I see a big one there, you know.
But if the hook not bend out a peculiar bent into a peculiar shape, then you can still use it because the more bend you have on it, the harder it is for them to get when you hook them. But depending on the bend, it also can be difficult if you hook them, so you have to be careful with it.
Yeah, man, so we are going to wait and see. We be back. You see? Every nation a pay by them by the time, I think. So we are try again and see where we are going. Let it go.
Give more length, you can go and drift.
See, it's just that.
Just that. Hey, doctor.
Right now, must get something today.
The finger comes out, so you feel it. You know.
Yeah, must get something today. Something must go on. After that, man. So we just go and wait, you know. Yeah, man, so you don't know leverage nation, but they are going to wait again. Leverage nation, so what we are going to do now? We're out of luck, so we are trying to look at the other places we did previously. So I go and drive up this way, you know? So that's what we are doing right now. We are go back in our garage. The garage over there. Yeah, so we are take up the stairs. We are go up the stairs. And then shot go to other place and see if we look. Wow, get something at least better than, yeah. Yeah, at least twice, is it? So that's what we are going to do right now. You know the badness. Yeah, so reach back over here, so let's see. Must get something. Must get something. Must get something. What you say? We must get something. At least 2 of them something. So we must get something. So we must get something. What you say, Clay? Must get something. Must get something. Hello, doggy. Yeah. Under the bridge. Oh, we are go under the bridge. See. People them over there, somebody those over there can't see the leverage like we across on the other side. Yeah. Yeah, everything is on, so we're gonna see where you're going, you know? What do you look black though? Oh, that's a rough coconut. So right now we're just there. Try to see where we can go on, you know? Hopefully that not pick up, because I don't know, but we get back to now. Yeah man, that's a leverage man. Yeah, so leverage nation out there, obviously some people are fish and then catch one. Yeah, look at it. How you doing? I'm vlogging, so
Looks like what was that? Moray Hill or
Huh?
what do they call it? Moray Hill?
Moray Hill.
Something like that, yeah.
Oh. Yeah. That's good.
We'll try to get them off here.
You don't have a tires or something?
Yeah.
Yo, that's crazy. Look at it.
Ew.
Like, I don't think he's gonna survive.
Nah, you ain't gonna survive that. Alright, Leverage Nation, we be back. Crazy. Well, Leverage Nation, we try our best, but the hook pop
Twice. I'm gonna fix it back.
but we now fix it back, so hopefully future video we catch. Cause maybe the cold weather or whatever, I don't know if they swim around them or run or what. But yeah man, Leverage Nation, I don't know what's that or that man.
And who knows, I'll probably get a vlog with we going down to Key West and do some real bridge fishing and get some real snapper. I get some snapper and some snook and some something. Snook season start February 1, so we will see how that go.
Alright, Leverage Nation. So that, you know. Always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know, leverage. You know what thing go.